I just got home from class and look what I found in the driveway. This is very interesting. Let's go see what's inside. All right, let's see what's inside. Look at that, that's so exciting. So that used to be 3 windows. You can see the space, 1, 2, 3. But now it's being framed out for one very large pass-through window that will be countertop height. So this is the rest of the kitchen so far on a day about 20 or 23, something like that. Those used to be arches. Now they've been squared off for a little bit more of a modern look. The pantry's gone. The rest of it's just electrical and plumbing. You know, not super dramatic or anything. The floor's gone. But this is something that we always do. Every time we do a renovation, we hide a time capsule. So that's one of Lucy's toys, a bottle of wine, a piece of artwork, and a letter inside one of Kip's books. I can't pull it out, it's wedged in there pretty good. But my husband wrote a book